Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to use conditional formatting in Power BI to make your reports look better and easier to understand. First, let's quickly understand what is conditional formatting. So it's a feature in Power BI that lets you to change the color, font, add icons to your visuals based on the values in your data. For example, if your profit is high, you can show it in green, and if it's low, then you can show it in red. So this helps people easily see what's good or bad in your data without reading the numbers. So let's see how to do it step by step. So I have loaded the financial data, and here I will select the matrix visual. I selected product, sales, and profit. Okay. Let's apply the conditional formatting in sum of sales. Okay, so come to the value. Okay, here you can see the sum of sales. Just right click on that, click on conditional formatting and background color. Okay, so here the format style is gradient and apply to is values because we are applying only to the values. Here we have taken sum of sales and the summarization is sum. So the lowest value is in light blue, so I wanted to change the color to gray, and highest sales I'll make it green. Okay, or let me change this color to red. Okay, if you want you can also enter a add a middle color. See, now I have selected the middle color is yellow. Now I'll click OK. Okay, now you can see right here the PCO product is having the highest cell. Okay, and the lowest cell is Caritra, right? And the middle one is VTT. So similarly, you can apply the conditional formatting in sum of profit as well. Let's go to the sum of profit, apply conditional formatting. Here, instead of background color, I'll choose font color. Okay, so here it's already over there. So lowest value is light blue and the highest value is the blue. Let me click on this. See, here you can see the highest profit is for the facio and the lowest one is for character, right? So now I will add another column, let's say discount. Okay, so here uh, again right click on this conditional formatting, data words. So data words is nothing but it will show you as a bus. Okay, click OK. See, you can see the data words here. Okay, so similarly we have other options as well. If I click on sum of discounts, so here you can see the other options like icons, web URLs. Okay, let's go to the icons here. So I will remove the conditional formatting. Yeah, here I'll use the icons instead of bar. Okay, so if the value is greater than 0 and less than 33, it will give you the symbol, and if it is greater than 33 and 67 will give you this, and the 67 to 100 will with the green. Also here you can change the style. I just made it to the aroma, so let's click OK. Yeah, so here you can see the data like this. Okay, Yeah, that's it about the conditional formatting. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more sample Power BI tutorials. Thank you for watching.